Hello, hello. My name is Taylor Reno, and I am officially a nurse practitioner. I spent so much time last year studying and a lot of money on this other course that I took, and I gave it my all, and I failed my boards the first time, and it was super devastating, and I was kind of just very hopeless, no idea where to go, where to turn to. And then I found out about Professor Walden, and I just want to tell everybody about her because time's very valuable, and I want to save you guys a lot of time and money. That's another thing. When she says NP in 5 minutes, she low-key really means NP in 5 minutes. You can just tell she's genuine. You've taught me more than my university, I feel like. I love her to death. I'm gonna do her NP Collective, and I'm so excited about it. The best thing on her website is definitely her crash course and her question banks and her live review. She's amazing. She's hilarious, and she's got charisma. It makes things stick. Visual learners, auditory learners, everything. She's your girl. Latrina, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of my success. You guys are gonna do great and do big things. Thank you.